So now we got 119 homes that sold in 3 days that are between 375 and 600. So look, we click all right here, all. The MLS works the same way. And what we want to do is run a quick CMA right here. You see it? Quick CMA. If you see it, I'm not looking at y'all. You got to tell me y'all with me.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
I told y'all when y'all come here, y'all got to be ready to roll. Let's be ready to roll.
I'm on mute because they're installing these solar panels. I don't know if y'all can hear that.
Welcome to Harvard. This is Harvard of real estate. And I am the professor. Y'all ready? All right, here we go. All right, so CMA tells us what the average, what is this? Average, medium, and max house sold for. So it looks like between 375 and 600,000, the average price sold between right around 485, 486. Right? You guys see that?
Yeah.
Okay. That means that's what people paying for houses. That's something you would want to write down and know this. Now, we can get more specific because you guys may say, well, I don't want to market all of Gwinnett County. I ain't driving all over Gwinnett County because I don't want to be rich. I just want to drive to this place is closest to me. So you can see where the houses are sold at. So let me show you something. So we got 119 sold in 3 days. So now let's do it by cities. So we got Beaufort, Georgia. Oh, I don't know how to spell. Beaufort, you see it dropped to 12?
Yeah.
Okay. We got Lawrenceville, where I live, stopped at 43. So that means out of 43 out of 119 are being sold in Lawrenceville. Who can do the math?
That's about 40%.
No, I like to deal in exact numbers, sorry.
Okay.
My son does that to me all the time and it drives me crazy. I'm like, how are you gonna be in finance? You always be like around and like, dude, like go on marketing or something. All right, 36%, right?
Yeah.
If I'm getting too technical, I'm gonna get. I don't like to get too technical with y'all because this is where real estate agents get lost. See, this is what I mean. Say you want 6 figures. I'm showing you how to make 6 figures. Body language is starting to get tight. Okay. And Lilburn looks like the other city. So let's see how much is in Lilburn. I'm not gonna spend a lot of time on this for that reason. I'm a nerd with this. Lilburn is 12. So the biggest city was what?
Lawrence.
So where will we market?
Lawrence.
That's where we would market. Why? Because 36% of people who are buying homes in this price point, that's where they're buying them.
Interesting. Okay.
Makes sense? So now we don't have to think about, well, what about Snellville? And what about all these other little places that ain't selling nothing? Why would you spend your marketing dollars on Snellville when they're selling 4 houses out of 100, less than 4% of the market?
Yeah.
Okay.